Crazy. Look at this. It's time to change that tire anyway, but damn. Boy, it looks crazy.
Alright, so this is the final part to this series. If you ain't checked it out, I have a playlist. We'll go back part 1, 2, and 3. Can I afford to run a lawn care business? So, first part of this we're going to get into is payments. The reason why I never had payments. On mowers. Now, my first truck I bought, my first truck was no payment. Got hit, totaled out, had to get rid of it. My heart was broken. I ended up getting a payment. I had a truck. I was in the beginning stage. I was making a payment every month. Nobody card on file. Not a stable clientele list. Nobody was just really, I had no weekly clients when I got this truck. I think I had one, take that back. And so I started building it up. But I was building it up the wrong way. And that's why those payments was getting ate up so quick. I had a lot of clients that was just calling me when I first started as I go type thing. They would call me, hey, I need the yard cut. Could you be here Friday? They might give me a call Tuesday. I would put them down Friday. Hey, give me a call. Hey, I need you to get over here Saturday. You know, now it's none of that, you know, strict schedule. And guys, I had to run it like this because, I was running it like this because I didn't know no better, was all over the place, was doing everything in the black book, no CRM, and I was paying for it. But making the payment anyway, guys, if you don't have to, and you have the equipment to get you through, you have the truck to get you through, I would say stack those. Because what you can do is, let's just say your truck payment, and right now everything's went up. So let's just say your truck payment is $650 a month, $600 a month, $550 a month. If you wanted to get you a nice used truck, you could take about 7 months or more and put up $1,000 each month. That's $7K. That'll get you a decent used truck. Now say you make it through the season, you don't need to spend that $7K. Your truck's still running. Go ahead, stack some more. Take care of that if you can and knock that out, buy it cash. Your truck is your equipment, guys. You know, a lot of people say mowers, trimmers, blowers. Trucks are equipment. And I've been down before with a truck down 45 days. No way to pull trailer. And I couldn't make no money. And like I say, when I had to get the truck, I had to get this season, I was down, 3 days because I learned off that lesson. I had some cash saved. Soon, I was already gonna try to buy a truck anyway. Soon as that came, I just got online and I got to looking and I went on ahead and did my thing. Guys, those payments will eat you up, even on a mower. Now I put it like this. A guy gave me a good tip, shout out to him. He said, if you pick up a client and that client is $300-400 a month, $350, that right there is your mower payment. Now, with a mower, I will say that might make sense because once you start knowing them clients are calling, you're gonna need something to be dependable, you're gonna need something to get them done quick, and you're gonna be needing something to get you to the next job fast. If I couldn't find a used mower, then I would make a payment on the mower. But until then. All right, so this is why you gotta make it make sense in business, man. Charge your prices right. Just paid the insurance today on 3 vehicles. Turned around. What we got? We got a nail right here in this tire. So that ain't even the half of it. Antigo tires if you guys looking for tires. Got a tire right here. Got to get this thing replaced right here. And just pulled up. And look what we got right here. A flat. So this is why you got a price right, guys. I got a flat right here
I got one that needs to be replaced right here. And then I doubt if I'm gonna be able to plug this one because it's on the wall of the trailer. So, man, make sure you're pricing right on your yards when you get out here, man. It's the cost of doing business. So, Boneyard Lawn Service, I'm gonna get out of here on this one. You guys like videos like this, I'll leave some more videos up here, man. Check them out. Try to make this your most profitable season. Crazy. Look at this. It's time to change that tire anyway, but damn. Boy, it looks crazy. And I left these on the truck the whole time that I went across town to this other yard, so could have been real ugly right there, boy. It's like, shoot, a few hundreds in tools. Now, if you're still here to the end, this is gonna be the best part. I feel like vices, guys. It's a lot of stuff that guys don't talk about online. I know a lot of guys that make money. It goes to liquor. It goes to tobacco products. It goes to that dispensary weed. And it's eating up their profits. Coffee every morning. Gotta buy lunch every day. All this is gonna add up. You gotta find a way to eliminate some of this. You don't need to, you just need to find a way to eliminate a lot of this because those vices are eating up your profits. I don't care if you $200 a month, $250 a month. Guys, it adds up. Some people more than others. Those are gonna add up. You have to find your way to control vices if you're gonna be out here running a service business. You know, it just is what it is. Like I say, I know guys get off work. You know, first thing they want to do, they want to find them something to roll up and smoke. They want to find them something to get to sipping on. Guys, it's gonna if you're trying to build something the right way profitable, it's gonna be a time and a place for everything. And you're gonna have to figure out, do I have time for this right now? And does it make sense in my life? And I'm gonna tell you, it probably don't. Nothing's wrong with, I got off, I had a bird. You feel me? But we're talking about you're getting off work, you need a 6-pack, and you need your pint. No, you're getting off work, and you're just back to back smoking. Some guys you don't need it, guys. Cut the vices out. That's gonna be another way to save money. So, cut the payments out. You're gonna have miscellaneous expenses, and you're gonna need to cut the vices out. See, I finally got some help on this big thing right here. Cut that time down. So, I'll leave this playlist, man. If you like videos like this, Boneyard Lawn Service, check in the next one.